Hello, everyone, and welcome to What is a Glitter Whip? So, we've been getting a lot of people asking, what is a glitter whip? What do you do with it? So, these are just a few of what we have. We have a ton of glitter whips, but these are just a few. So, I want to show you the differences in the glitter whips. So, we have the chunky glitter whips. So, like Candy Confetti, one of my favorites. Katy Cakes, another favorite. Barbie Pink. These are just some examples. These are the chunkies. This is chocolate icing. This one's glass slipper. And then we have the extreme fine glitters. This is opalescent gold. Here's a cranberry, and we have a bunch more colors. This is just an example. These are the fine, really fine ones. And then we have the ones that have the tinsel. This is a tinsel glitter. So this is Cherry Bonbon. And it just looks like super tiny, tiny pieces of tinsel. This is Angel Wings. This is a favorite. And the video does no justice, but in person it's just absolutely gorgeous. So we have a ton of glitter whips, a ton of color options, and you can do so many things with them. So for example, you can do it as a background. This is opalescent gold. We put a transfer in the middle of the rock, and then I just put opalescent gold around the outside. Now we can resin this and put a quote, or we can add some rhinestones or dots or anything you want to add. And it just makes it super cool. Here's another one. This is on a selenite. So I used it as an accent around the outside. This is Butterfly Fields. Another thing you can do, I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to do with Katy Cakes, my favorite one. You can do it as just a straight up background. So one of my buds, Allison Routson, does a ton of these. And she loves just putting the glitter whips as a background and then going back, resining, and then either putting a quote or you can paint something on top of it. So I like to put mine on with my finger. If you have a big open spot like this, it's, my finger I feel like is the best way I can get it, the pieces where I want it and everything. You can wear a glove if you don't want to touch it, but it comes off very easily with water, soap and water. So there's your option as just a background. Let it dry. I let mine dry overnight, and then I resin them or do, like for this one, I'll resin it and put a quote. This one I'll resin it and probably put a quote on that one too. So you just let it dry. So another option, I did this little puppy dog just for the video. So I already painted this puppy dog, and you can use the glitter whips for accent. So let's see. I want to let's do some chocolate icing on the ears and the tail. So for this, I'm going to want to use a brush because I need to do some finer detail work. So I'm just going to go in and grab a little bit of a chocolate icing, and I'm going to go in and put it right there on his ear. And then I'm going to put a little bit on his tail. So we're just doing an accent on the puppy dog. And that is this little brush right here is an eyeliner brush, and they're just disposable. So now we've added some bling bling to his ears and tail. Isn't that cool? So that is the options. That there's so many things that you can do with glitter whips, and the sky's the limit. You can do this works beautiful on wings, any kind of wings. This works beautiful on any kind of wings. Now the cool thing is, give me 1 second, I'm gonna grab something I forgot. Okay, I drew a word on a rock. I'm gonna let that dry, but I have this rock right here that I painted a shimmer shot on it, which that will be in a different video, how to use shimmer shots. But I just painted a quick shimmer shot on there. I had some leftover paint, so that's what I tend to do. So I'm going to take my Pink Paradise, open it up, and I'm just going to put Pink Paradise over the top of that color. Again, you can wear gloves if you don't like putting your fingers on it, but I don't mind. I'll just get my fingers all up in there. And there you go. See how it totally changed the look of that rock? Bling bling, y'all. Bling bling. Okay, so now that this is just about dry, you can take the extreme fine glitters. Where did it go? There it is. And I'm just going to use my eyeliner brush again. I just wanted just a basic background there. I didn't want to use black because it would take a lot of glitter to cover that up. So I just used a brown Posca that I had. And now I'm just filling it all in with the extreme fine glitter. You can do so much with this glitter, and it's so fun. We have tons of colors to pick from, tons of combinations, lots of fun. And if you've never tried the glitter whips, I will leave a discount code in the description box, and use that code when you go to checkout and you will get a discount. That way you can give it a try and see if you like it. And we have different sizes, so you don't have to be like me and go big or go home. You can get you a size 15 gram, a 30 gram, or a 50 gram. So I'm just going through and lining this, and it makes for some awesome wording and lettering. And again, like I said, I just put in a basic brown Posca just to get my word in. And then I'm just going to cover all that up with the champagne. This is champagne gold, by the way. One of my favorites. I think anything sparkly is my favorite because I'm always saying it's my favorite, it's my favorite. I think it's just all my favorite. But I have my favorite favorites, you know what I mean? So we just took a simple word, hope, one that I like to do a lot for kindness rocks, because I feel like the very first kindness rock that I found gave me hope. And so I want to give as many people as I possibly can, give them hope if they're struggling or just need a pick-me-up. So you turned in your brown hope into a gorgeous champagne gold. Isn't that awesome? So that's the extreme fine glitter. So you just let this dry overnight, and then the next day you can resin it, you can add more stuff to it, do more things, just have fun with it. Another thing you can do, one more option, is you can mix your colors. Get creative, y'all. Have some fun with it. So say I want to add in some cranberry. I'm just dropping a little bit in of cranberry, and I'm just going to do it here and there. This is going to totally up your game with kindness rocks, or if you like to sell your art, or you just like bling and you want to just have some fun. This is the way to go. Mixed media fun. And there, you've changed it all up. Isn't that cool, y'all? So that is really all you need to know about glitter whips. Pull them out, put them on stuff, play with them, try different things, get creative. They're awesome. Just have fun. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I hope you learned something. And see y'all soon. Bye.